So let's walk through how you build your graph for your data assignment. Here you have your Fred site pulled up. All you have to do is go to fred.stlouisfed.org, as you see in the URL. And then you type in median usual weekly nominal earnings. What you see come up here is a number of options, but you want the first option, employed full-time median usual weekly earnings. So this is the second quartile, which means it's going to be giving you data from the second 3 months of the year. So we'll click on that. And as you see, when you click on this, there's a graph that's automatically built for you. You need to make a small change to the graph, and the way you do that is to pick the Edit Graph button. As you see, you've got some options here to edit your graph. So under Modify Frequency, you see right now it's listed as quarterly. We want to change that to annual. So just click on Annual, and now you're going to be able to compare things across years. So you've changed to annual, and now you can just close this window. All right, now it's time to add some data to the graph. I'm going to edit the graph again here, or you could just leave that open. And I want to add a line. So in this box up here at the top, you're just going to click Add Line. What I'm going to search for here is the median usual weekly nominal earnings, white. And now I need to scroll down so I can find the right age group. I want the full-time median usual weekly earnings. But I need to scroll down here a little bit till I find wage and salary workers 16 years and over. So I'm going to choose that option. And then I'm going to add the data series. So now you see you have 2 lines in your graph. This is the process that you follow to add data to your graph. And you're going to do this 3 more times for this assignment. 1 for Black earners, 1 for Hispanic earners, and 1 for Asian earners. When you have those 5 lines, then you will have completed your graph. So this is what your graph should look like. There's one final change that you want to make, and this is just to make it a little bit easier to read. So right above the graph, you have 2 boxes with your dates. You can see it says 1979 to 2023. You can change that first box to read 2000. And then we cut off some of the data at the beginning. And this just makes it a little bit easier to do your comparisons. So now you need to take a screenshot of your graph, add it to your Word document, and you're on your way.